Greetings. It's Memorial Day in the United States, May 31st, 2021. I hold these two studies I did of murdered U.S. federal police officer Stephen Tyrone Johns, out of where I had them stored. In 2009, Johns, age 39, was shot to death by a Ku Klux Klan terrorist, an elderly man. And I was thinking about all the news, TV news and news articles recently about more and more American states with Republican-led governors and state legislatures who are enacting voter suppression, voter repression, targeting African Americans, Black Americans, Hispanic Americans, Asian Americans, elderly and poor Americans. And every state that does this, as far as I'm concerned, there ought to be national boycotts of their tourism industries, particularly Florida, for example, and Texas, and of professional associations in whatever field. People who organize their annual conferences should boycott having their conferences in those states that are choosing to stomp on the memory of victims of Ku Klux Klan terrorism, like Officer Tyrone Johns, who was African American, and in the memory of every victim of the Nazis and fascists tenderly murdered by the Third Reich and their allies in different countries in Axis Europe during the World War II years. And these voter suppression laws stomp on the memory of every American soldier who died fighting the Nazis and fascists, and stomp on the memory of every American who was lynched, by Ku Klux Klan terrorists over decades and decades. All right, that's it. May the memory of Officer Tyrone Johns be blessed.